At Brinter, we're here to revolutionize human repair mechanics with our regenerative bioimplants.
We use 3D printing to treat patients that are suffering from tissue injuries or loss.
The market size we're addressing is over $10 billion only in the United States.
There are currently no products on the market that are 3D printed for tissue repair.
Really, the standard of care right now, a lot of the times, are plastic or metallic implants. We're challenging the status quo of using our 3D printing technology to 3D print personalized implants.
One of the issues with autologous tissue is that it lacks the ability to repair itself well. This product is unique, not only has some of the similar mechanical attributes, but it will also have some regenerative properties to it as well.
Our mission is to mimic the physical strength of native tissue in our design.
We reduce patient morbidity, and we can highly reduce the expense of the repairs.
So for the first time in history, technology and biology are meeting together at the same time to enable bioimplants, improving millions of people's lives all over the world.